KTM is gearing up to launch the all-new RC160 in the market soon. The upcoming motorcycle will feature the same sharp and aggressive design language as the larger KTM RC200, giving it a proper supersport stance. Powering the RC160 will be the familiar 164.2cc liquid-cooled single-cylinder engine seen on the 160 Duke. This motor produces 19 PS and 15.5 Nm of torque. However, KTM may tweak the final drive ratio on the RC160 to deliver stronger top-end performance, better suiting its fully fared, sport-focused character. In terms of hardware, the bike is expected to borrow heavily from the 160 Duke. Suspension duties will likely be handled by a WP Apex upside-down front fork and a rear monoshock. The motorcycle should also feature the same lightweight alloy wheels, helping keep overall weight in check. Braking performance is expected to be robust, with a 320mm front disc and a 230mm rear disc, complemented by dual-channel ABS for added safety. KTM is also likely to equip the RC160 with an LCD instrument console, similar to the setup offered on the Duke at launch. The new RC will go head-to-head with the Yamaha R15, which currently stands as the only other performance-oriented supersport motorcycle in the 150 and 160cc segment. Pricing for the RC160 is expected to fall in the range of 1.85 lakh to 1.90 lakh rupees ex-showroom, making it an exciting new option for enthusiasts seeking a fully fared sport bike with decent performance.